Habéis vivido el auge de los costes de la energía.
The question is always, what does the customer want? The flow measurement in compressed air was not that important at that time.
Buenas tardes a todos. Con motivo de la nueva presentación a nivel mundial del nuevo equipo de calidad de aire Oilcheck 500, hoy tenemos a nuestro director general, Wolfgang Blessing, pues para aprovechar y hacer una serie de preguntas, preguntarle cuál es la evolución de CS Instruments en la industria, hablarle de cuáles son las expectativas que vamos a tener con el nuevo Oilcheck 500. Y para nosotros es un placer y un orgullo contar con su presencia después de muchos años, más de 20 años, hablando de la eficiencia energética en el mercado. Y vamos a comenzar con unas pequeñas preguntas que seguro que van a ser de interés para todos vosotros. Mi nombre es Antonio Gómez, yo soy el responsable comercial de CS Instruments y a mi derecha tengo a Wolfgang Blessing, el director general y propietario de CS Instruments, que están ubicados, como sabéis, en Alemania. Y hoy, desde Madrid, desde España, vamos a hacer una entrevista con el motivo de la presentación del nuevo Oilcheck 500, el nuevo y revolucionario equipo para medir la calidad del aire comprimido. Okay. The first question, Wolfgang, for you will be, what do you think has been the evolution of energy efficiency from the beginning until today in Europe?
Yeah. You know that we started the company many years ago, more than 20 years ago. We started with measuring technology, and at that time, flow measurement in compressed air was not that important at that time. Energy cost was really low.
Yes.
Nobody cared about saving energy in that time. So now energy costs are rising, energy costs are going up. So it's very important to reduce the energy cost in the companies. So compressed air is one of the most critical points. You use a lot of electricity for the production of compressed air. So energy saving is very important. So flow measurement is always the first step. If you want to reduce energy, you have a lot of leakages in the companies. So flow measurement was started with one flow sensors in the main line in the first step. Then we had, for example, different buildings where we had measurement. Then we had different floors. And in the end, many customers measure the flow for each machine to reduce cost, to know exactly where the flow is going, to know exactly how much leakage the company has. So flow measurement in compressed air is getting more and more important. And I see no reason why this should change in the future. I think energy prices will rise again in the future.
Yes.
And then it's necessary to know the consumption of machines, of buildings, of the production line. That's very important.
Yes. La mayoría de vosotros que nos seguís desde hace muchos años, clientes, distribuidores, habéis vivido el auge de los costes de la energía. Con lo cual, lo que acaba de decir Wolfgang, todo el mundo lo conoce y somos conscientes de que es totalmente importante que a día de hoy todas las industrias reduzcan sus consumos energéticos y optimicen sus procesos. Okay. The question today, Wolfgang, is everybody is waiting for this product. This product is a new Oilcheck 500. Este producto nuevo es el nuevo medidor de calidad de vapor de aceite, de calidad de aire, para medir el contenido de vapor de aceite residual. Wolfgang, which are the expectative with this device?
Yeah, we talked about the flow measurement already.
Yes.
That's very important. But many customers have high quality production, so they are very interested in the air quality.
Yes.
Air quality means dew point, means particles, and means also oil content. And all these three parameters are very important if you need pure, dry, clean air. So, in a consequence, we had the flow and the dew point measurement since many, many years. We had the particle measurement since many, many years.
Yes.
Now we have invested a lot in a new system to measure the oil content in compressed air. But not only compressed air, we can also measure in any kind of gases.
Yes.
For
Very
example,
important. Nitrogen.
Very important nitrogen.
Yes.
Or argon or CO2.
Yes.
So whenever you have a compression of gases, you need a compressor, and then there is always some parts of oil, particles of oil involved, and the customer wants to know exactly what is the oil content.
And this is a very important thing, because in the past we are not able to measure nitrogen, for example.
Yes, we were not able in nitrogen with a complete new system.
Yes.
Which enables us to measure in different gases.
Okay.
That's a patented solution that we have.
Patented solution.
It's a worldwide patented solution. And yeah, looking forward to go to the market.
Perfect.
We have made so many tests and so many efforts to start a new product, so we are happy to launch it.
Yes.
After
Yes.
1.5 years. So we are really happy. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. And speaking about the development of the device, the new devices, how many people are involved in the development of the device?
I think
not only with Oilcheck 500.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Because CS Systems is a company that every year create new devices,
Yes.
and that is very important for everybody.
Yeah.
But how many people are involved?
I think development is a second step.
Okay.
First, we need the sales guys
Yes.
and the marketing guys looking for the applications. So our focus is of course in developing new instruments, but we want to have the customer, we want to have the real application behind it. So before we start the development, we want to know exactly what is the need of the customer.
Yes.
And what does the customer want? So the first question is always, what does the customer want? And after that, we start with the development. In our development, we have many engineers. We have different sectors: software guys, construction guys, electronic guys. We also work together with external specialists when we need them. So we have in total around about 35 people working on new products, on new ideas.
Wow.
But the first and important thing is to get the right customer's application, to know exactly what to develop. And then we try to be very fast. We invest money that we get from our customers in new products. You know that, Antonio, that we have 2-3 new products every year.
Yes, so important for everybody.
And this will go on for the next years.
Okay. Perfect, Wolfgang. Which are your expectations in the market for this product?
We have the development now finished now after 2 years. And now we go to the market, and in April and May, because we see a lot of applications coming up. So if you go to electronic production, if you go to the pharmaceutical industry, or if you go into hospitals or into breweries, or into the food industry.
In general, in food industry,
Food industry in general. So whenever you have contact to the compressed air, you need clean, dry air without any particles. So the oil content is very important. The quality of the air is getting more and more important. The regulations of the governments for health and security will increase step by step in the future. So we want to be prepared with this new product.
And the next, for finishing the interview, where is CS Systems going in the industry for the next years?
Yeah, we started more than 20 years ago
Yes.
with measuring technology for industry. We started with the dew point measurement, then we had the flow, then we had the chart recorders, the particle counters. And our focus is to be number one in that niche, compressed air and gas measurement in the industry. And in the moment, we are working on many new projects in the background. So in 5 or 10 years, we will double our turnover and also double our employees. You know the figures, you see that in Spain.
Yes.
And this will continue also in the future.
Okay.
No doubt about that.
So thank you very much,
Thank
Wolfgang.
you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.